Well, give it a whack. I think it'll go.
Ooh.
My hand is dirty, so I don't want to do it.
Off.
First try.
Man, is that nice? The back of the car isn't smashed in anymore.
Alright, here's how she looks with the old hood. Her trunk bonnet. Not so bad, really. But we're trying, we got the hood done. You can see it's a little more even colored. I don't know, it might look better. Somewhere there's a latch. Fancy. Okay, battery's hooked up. I think we're ready to go. Alright, you want to try and give her a cold start? It's ready, go ahead. Oh, almost got it. What a treat. Oh, it smells like a smoggy old car. I shouldn't say things like that, it makes him mad. It doesn't smell like anything, it smells like a car. This car doesn't go anywhere, it just drives around the yard. What are we doing? You're going forward?
Can I make the loop, or are you worried about the steering coming apart?
It won't come apart.
Okay.
Just don't do any donuts.
This doesn't have donut mode.
No donut
It's
mode.
not too new a crisis.
Well, you have to pay extra monthly to get the donut mode. Look at all the decals of the sweet, sweet content creators that signed my van at No Name Nationals. Good people. Salt of the earth they are. There's John Wolpert. Signed it right there. There we go. Heading over to the shop.
Oh, yeah, there's a seal. Oh, the seal's on this end. Good.
Yeah. Anything good in there? Wheel covers. Oh!
Yeah, that thing.
Professor P from Slant Daily Garage.
Yeah, we got stuff.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, because we were off this project for a while. This is full of stuff for it. Yep. Okay, so.
We got all kind of goodies, huh? I like it.
This ain't that terrible.
Well, I didn't put the steering even all back together. We had to get it out of the garage for some reason. I don't even remember why. So we just have
okay to drive, and it was barely okay
we
to
just
drive.
have a couple of what, 9/16 bolts there. Just a couple of them.
Those are half. The second one.
I got it. Can't really go down any further. Oh shoot! Damn. Okay.
I didn't think it'd fall apart.
Expect that.
One more bolt.
Okay, I'm ready for it.
I had it too. Okay. So now we gotta.
Set the tool down and then grab that side and then I'll move over.
Yep. Okay.
Got it?
Yep, I got it.
Okay.
It doesn't come up. What's wrong?
You walked away from me and I wasn't ready. Alright. Lovely. I think before we do that we should put something down for padding so we don't smash it.
Do you have any padding?
Some? I don't think we should. Knife could just employed slave labor to do something bad. I can't endorse them anymore. Damn them.
So all the other stuff we have, all the traps.
Yep.
Yeah, that's traps.
What you call a trap around here?
it up?
Yeah.
You got it?
Go ahead, yeah.
Okay, let's try again. Stupid thing won't start. There, it started. Okay. Can you hold it up or are we good or what?
You're
still
one of
struggling.
mine started.
Okay, well, if you just hold it up, I can get one of these turned in enough that it won't be a problem.
Both of mine are started. One yours.
These are started. Just hold it up.
Okay. I wouldn't put them in too tight.
No, I'm not. I'm just so we have no idea where we're at.
Okay, we can take the shirts out.
It's not gonna latch. There's no latch. Just slowly go down and see where we're at. Okay, this one's gotta go. This has gotta go forward. Okay, so hang on. I'll loosen this side up. Move it forward.
Okay. How much is it gonna go?
Up.
Oh, you can't see it. What do I gotta be in the trunk? I mean, it's got a slot. It goes.
I know.
The other side needs to go.
Let's see where we're at
Yeah.
before I make more adjustments. Okay, come over here.
Actually, that side is.
This
Not
side
too
needs
bad.
to go down a
This
little.
side needs to come out more.
Still? Okay, this side needs to go in more. That side needs to go out. Maybe. Let's go that side first.
Yeah, let's go that side first. I think you're right.
Yeah, I don't know. This side definitely
Stuck.
scrape that out. Okay. Higher. There's actually two different directions to adjust that. Down too far now, but it's both sides are on. But not much. Yeah, you can see that side now too far.
Yeah, this side. It's not so bad.
Okay, it's yeah, it's not too bad. That side needs to go down. See, there's adjustments this way,
Yeah.
and there's adjustments this way. Okay, let's go up. I know what I have to do. That may have gone too far, maybe not. I don't know. Let's see what we got.
We'll work it out.
we're good. We just need the latch in it. Gotta pull the latch out of that. Let's put that on a bench in here.
I got it.
Where'd the bench go?
Honestly, it's supposed to be a stall horse,
Not a table.
not a table.
But all the tables are full. So
All the tables are full.
it becomes a table.
Well, we didn't clean up after painting because we're excited. We want to make the content. Just how the way she goes. You got it? Alright.
So we need to
We need that
that tool again.
again. Same tool. Probably screwdriver, pry bar.
Yeah, I don't know what holds that. Probably a clip or something.
There's a clip. Slide clip.
Yeah, look at how shiny this is. Oh, look at the spare tire thing. Yeah, that's not going to be original.
Well, we might need to get a reproduction of that.
Yeah. Well, this, I thought that shiny stuff would turn out more like this, but it didn't. Not sure it looked any different than, look at this. Something's living in there. Okay, which is right side up. Goes. Okay, so can you do that out here?
Yeah, let me brush it off so I'm not putting dirt.
Okay. Yeah, last night I painted the inside of this. It's supposed to be glossier than that, but it's not. I used gloss paint, but looks about the same as the flat. I wanted the outside flat because it kind of matches the old paint, but the inside of the trunk was shinier, so I used gloss, but it didn't gloss up.
Really didn't gloss up. I thought it would gloss more.
Oh, so did I. But I don't know. I'm gonna mess with that gloss paint some more on a scrap, and then maybe shoot some clear over it or something. See.
That gloss paint seems a lot more hard, like durable maybe.
Well, it's
It might
maybe.
be better.
Well, it might be smoother. I really don't know. Really don't know. I'm trying to figure it out. You know, I just never used that before. So,
So this.
okay, yeah, we're going. We got a camera going, I think.
So this latching mechanism, I dropped some oil in it because it doesn't get a lot of lubrication, and it just has a. When you stick it in, it just has a slide clip that holds it.
You know which way is up?
Yeah, the tumblers go up.
Numbers go up. Okay. Maybe I can be the cameraman. Come over here and get your struggle. Not that we can get a camera down in there, but at least we can see what you're doing. I like this tripod.
That's a better
It
one.
it dampens my shakiness.
Yeah.
Getting rested on the floor or ground.
Oh, that's in there. That's never.
It's in there? Okay, then all we gotta do is put the other thing in there, and then it's get the key out of the. Okay, let's see if I can know how to make this work. Tip this up. I don't know how to do that. What tips that up? I don't know. I'll tip it up. I'll tip it up for now.
If you unscrew it, it goes up and down then.
Oh, well, you just got to be smarter than the tripod.
Just have to know how it functions.
Okay, then I can go around. This doesn't need a cameraman. I can go around and get the key. Close the door. Keep our little bit of warmth.
A little bit of warmth in there, yeah.
Yeah, here we are in Tennessee. We're warmed up and it's springtime, and all of a sudden we got a fire going and it's cold again. Jeez.
Oh, it's just a day or so. Be alright.
Keep on.
Keep moving forward. Keep on working. There it goes.
This could need adjustment because
I'm sure it'll need adjustment. This will probably need adjustment too.
yeah, that's the thing. Look at how far we had to move it before.
Let's see how we are.
This
Give it a whack. I think it'll go.
Ooh, ooh, ooh.
My hand is dirty, so I don't want to do it. First try.
Man, is that nice? The back of the car isn't smashed in anymore. Okay, that lid's off a 67, and this is 72, so the lids are the same, except in 67 they said Plymouth. It said Plymouth across the back of the logo. So it's got all these holes. So I was thinking, we can find something 8 letters we like, or we can find the right ones, the right letter.
Let's turn it around and put the front bumper on it.
You remember we got this, it was lowered, so the bumper was almost on the ground. It had 2 sets of lowering blocks in it. If nobody saw those videos, the first thing we did, I had to raise it up enough that we could get a jack under it. And then it had a plastic spoiler back here, and we drilled out those rivets and threw it. Because, 4-door Valiant looks really good lowered with a plastic spoiler on it. So now we don't have the holes from the plastic spoiler. We got the Plymouth holes, but we can fix that. And it looks normal. And the paint here looks older than that, but I don't know, it isn't too bad.
I mean, we still can go after that.
Oh, we can fix the rest of this, yeah.
Or you could just turn it around.
Hey, it's got a new depth lid on it.
It does.